So let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Beginning of this match, Bengal Boss and Warm Gear both going for that and making those goals with those artifacts. Tie game currently. 78-42 Brown Coats looking to grab from that loading zone. Meanwhile, Apex Warriors staying in the center of the field. Looks like 26-013 might have to get in their way to get rid of them. But are they going to make this? Yes, they are. Just in the last second of auto.
Drivers.
Blue still has the lead, though, only by a couple points. We're seeing a full ramp over here on the red side. Over in the red loading zone, we're also seeing a lot of artifacts by that tunnel.
1.
And as the match starts, we're going to see that red gate open up. BengalBot's going to grab as many artifacts from there as possible before the Blue Alliance can take advantage of that loading zone. And Red Alliance is doing the best that they can to catch up on that slight deficit from auto. But the Blue Alliance isn't going to let them. They're going to grab from that loading zone. 86-20 scoring on that from that far scoring zone. And looks like 78-42 doing their best to get in the way of 26-013, be as much of a nuisance as possible. But BengalBot's still scoring, trying to, and we're looking at a tie game. This is going to be a close one. 86-20, just consistently scoring from that far spot as much as possible. Getting that gate open. That loading zone is going to be prime real estate for these robots. Both loading zones relatively full. We're seeing a lot of clash here in the center as these robots try and score as much as they can in the last 50 seconds. Blue just barely has the lead. But the Red Alliance is going to be able to take advantage of a lot of those artifacts over by their scoring zone. Meanwhile, the blue ramp is full. So Red might be able to take back the points here. That gate open is going to open up a lot of possibility for the Blue Alliance, but we're seeing almost a tie game, 41-31 right here, 41-39. And Apex grabbing those artifacts outside of that in the last 14 seconds. Looks like Red is going to prioritize the parking. Warm still scoring, trying to solidify that lead as much as they can before the end. And that's almost the end, getting that park as much as possible.
Of that match is Blue Alliance 189-169. Good job. And the 86 match score is win by